and I'll be explaining more about what extent diastrophism contributes to the landscape evaluation compared to the exogenic process. So about the Earth, it was once a huge landmass which was broken into a bundle gas and continuous forces resulting to a great band. So explaining more about the diastrophism, it was once called a exogenic process, which was a process in which the Earth crust changed shape due to the forces about the Earth's surface. The forces which were compression and extension forces. So the rise of the exogenic forces were slow and sudden, which causes the formation of mountains like the Himalayas. So the sudden forces result into the formation of earthquakes, volcanoes, just to mention a few of them, and cause foot mountains and rock mountains. So the exogenic process are the forces that happen on the Earth's surface. Examples are weathering, erosion, deposition, and wasting. So in Mangoji, the exogenic processes have happened in many ways, as which Mangoji is located in southern region of Malawi, which lays along Lake Malawi, which is also known as Rift Valley. It was influenced by great tectonic activities that include rift valleys, floodplains, and other glacial features. So the tectonic activities are activities that result into the movement of the extraction of the Earth's surface. So the contribution of the diastrophism involves in folding and folding. So in Mangoji, we have contributed, which was formed by folding, which causes tension forces, causing mountains, lakes, which are also known as Rift Valleys, and in Mangoji there is Lake Malawi, which were contributed by diastrophism. So diastrophism have diastrophism has already said that it has contributed in many ways in Mangoji. For example, in the creation of major landforms, formation of Rift Valley Basin, development of Lake Malawi, and creation of some woodlands. In Mangoji, we have hills and plateaus. As Mangoji is present in the southern of Malawi. So exogenic processes have also contributed in weathering and soil formation. Examples like formation of tambo soils and fertile and larger soils, which supports production of rice, millets, and production of maize and cotton here in Mangoji. So the exogenic processes cause, reshape, and modify the landform, which reduce the risk and cause land degradation here in Mangoji, as well as floods and destruction of the land due to the heavy rains. So in conclusion, in Mangoji district, landscape evaluation is divided into both diastrophism and exogenic processes. So here in Mangoji, so in conclusion, diastrophism builds the land, which is currently. However, exogenic processes shapes the physical land, which looks present today in appearance. So here in Mangoji, diastrophism have contributed in many ways. So many changes here in Mangoji. Just a reminder of what I've said already. Diastrophism is a process where the earth crust change shape due to the forces of the earth. So here in Mangoji, diastrophism have contributed visit many ways